Welcome. In this video, we're going to walk through a simple trick that helps you protect your privacy inside Telegram on your computer. A new update has introduced an option that lets you hide the exact time when you read messages. If you've ever wanted to read without giving away that detail, this is definitely something you'll want to set up. Let's go step by step. First, open your Telegram app on your PC. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the top left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines, often called the menu icon. Click on it, and a side panel will slide open with several options. From there, head over to Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll notice different categories, but the one we need is Privacy and Security. Click on it, and you'll be taken to all of the privacy tools that Telegram has to offer. Now find the option labeled Last Seen. This is where you control who can see your online activity and read information. In the new update, you'll notice there's an added choice called Hide Read Time. Enable this feature, and just like that, Telegram will stop showing the exact time you opened a message. Once that's turned on, don't forget the most important step. Click Save. This confirms your choice and applies the change instantly. From now on, people may still know that you've read their messages, but they won't be able to see the exact read time anymore. This little tweak may seem small, but it makes a big difference when it comes to controlling what information you share with others. Whether you like to keep your schedule private or simply don't want to feel pressured to reply immediately, hiding your read time is an easy way to take back control of your digital boundaries. So that's it. In just a few clicks, you've adjusted your Telegram settings to be more private and suited to your needs. Test it out. Enjoy the freedom of checking your messages on your own terms, and remember, you decide how much of your online activity you want to share.